This is my module 15 review over the gaming and education. As we move more towards a technology-based uh, world, so is our classroom. So making these games and stuff will be super easy. It was super easy, and it was a super good way to get information down with kids interacting. What I used was the PowerPoint and made a game board on there. It was hard to keep everything organized, but once you did, making the game board and doing all the links and stuff were pretty easy. Um, and I just think it was pretty easy. There's a ton of information on there, and kids will have fun. All you have to do is make the actual things fun for the kids, and I think they would actually like it. I think just doing games and stuff like that would uh, get kids to participate more, and they're not hard for teachers to make. So I think they both work well in that situation.